In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on Reports. This is where you can access all of the built-in financial and business reports available in your account. Once you're in the Reports section, go to the search bar at the top and type in Profit and Loss. As the matching reports appear, select the Profit and Loss report to open it and run the report. After you select it, give QuickBooks a moment to finish loading. Depending on the amount of data in your company file or your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. It's important to wait until the full report appears on the screen before moving on, so you can be sure everything is displayed properly and ready to print. Once the report is fully loaded, move to the top area of the report itself and look for the print icon. Click that print icon to begin the printing process. This will open your browser's print window or print settings, where you can choose exactly how you want the report to print. At this point, review your print settings and make any adjustments you need. For example, you may want to choose your printer, set the page orientation, or check the number of copies. Taking a quick second here can help make sure the report prints clearly and in the format you want. When everything looks good, click Print. And that's it. Your profit and loss report will now print from QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, but it's a very useful one when you need a hard copy for review, meetings, record keeping, or sharing financial information offline. Just remember the basic flow. Go to Reports, search for the Profit and Loss report, let it load completely, click the print icon, confirm your settings, and print. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.